Hi there, my name is Shamil Ahmed, and I'm one of the strategic HR transformation directors here at Oracle. My role spans across Africa, Eastern Central Europe, and the Middle East. We at Oracle have been spending a lot of time and energy delving into challenges employers are facing in 2022, and in particular, those facing the mining and manufacturing organizations. Since the beginning of the pandemic, employee well-being has shot to the front of employer strategies. The great resignations had led to employees reevaluating their priorities at home and in their work lives and questioning what they want from an employer in terms of professional development, social value, and compensation. Role of HR leaders is evolving into helping design the new workplace in a short time under extraordinary pressure and refocusing on the employee experience as well as diversity, equity, and inclusion. We would love to speak to more mining and manufacturing organizations about this and share our insights in all of these topics, and in particular on the challenge of rethinking the employee experience. I would love to invite you to join an exclusive group of your peers from your industry at a face-to-face event where you can network and discuss all of these subjects and more. Some of my colleagues, including expert leaders in HR based here in Africa, will also be in the discussion. Please find details of the event alongside this video. I really hope you can make it. Thank you very much and take care.